Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the YOLO token. Now the YOLO token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 29th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the YOLO token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, December 29th at 14 hours UTC time, the You Only Live Once token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section tomorrow and search YOLO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says, born from the recognition that joy is an essential element missing in the cryptocurrency space, YOLO token endeavors to redefine the digital currency experience. The YOLO NFT marketplace introduces a revolutionary platform where memes become unique digital artifacts, offering users an engaging intersection of humor and cutting-edge blockchain technology. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, they already have 3,334 holders. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of, looks like 10 trillion YOLO tokens. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual. It is at _YOLO meme_IO. They have 13,700 Twitter followers. They have a link to their Telegram on that Twitter, and they also have a link to their web page. They have 7,547 tweets. They're doing very well there. They have some contests on their Twitter. They have all sorts of cool things, cool announcements like this Mexc Global listing, partnership announcements, all sorts of things you can check out. So they talk about the YOLO chain. So the laughter-infused decentralized wonder. Embark on a voyage through YOLO's tech marvel, the YOLO chain, unveiling the heart of our decentralized ecosystem where joy and innovation dance hand in hand. And then it says follow us on Telegram. And you can check out their Telegram at YOLO meme_IO. They have 48,441 Telegram subscribers, doing very well on their Telegram there. And then, of course, their webpage at YOLOmeme.io. Over there they have info about the token, tokenomics, roadmap. YOLO Swap, it says, is coming soon. Tons of socials. They have DEX Tools, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap, it says, coming soon. And then they have a full white paper, all sorts of stuff there. They even have a CoinSalt security audit, so you can check out a full audit there. So it says the abstract, YOLO token is a pioneering cryptocurrency project that transcends traditional financial paradigms by integrating the universal language of laughter into its core. Born from the recognition that joy is an essential element missing in the cryptocurrency space, YOLO Token endeavors to redefine the digital currency experience. At its essence, YOLO Token celebrates the cultural phenomenon of internet memes, transforming them into a driving force that shapes the future of decentralized finance. The YOLO NFT marketplace introduces a revolutionary platform where memes become unique digital artifacts, offering users an engaging intersection of humor and cutting-edge blockchain technology. Powered by YOLO Chain, a decentralized infrastructure emphasizing transparency and community governance. YOLO Token establishes a joyful and inclusive ecosystem. Concepts such as meme mining and decentralized governance empowers users, inviting active participation in the evolution of the YOLO movement. This abstract provides a glimpse into the vibrant world of the YOLO token, where laughter, innovation, and financial technology converge to create a cultural movement unlike any other. Embrace the YOLO spirit, where the tagline "Laugh, Mine, Trade, Repeat" encapsulates the ongoing cycle of joyous participation within the YOLO community. Now, in a world dominated by technology advancements and financial innovations, YOLO Token emerges as a groundbreaking crypto project that transcends conventional boundaries. So they're going to have blockchain tech, they're going to have NFTs, they're going to have humor, they're going to have tons of stuff here. So let's go over their features here. So the YOLO Token's features, they have a wallet. So they have a YOLO NFT marketplace. They have rewards. They have community governance. So let's check out on the roadmap here in which order these come out in. So it says here they're starting with team formation, white paper release. So their white paper is available on their webpage. You can just skip right to whitepaper.yolomeme.io if you want to go there. Smart contract development. Then they had the pre-seed, seed round, private sale, core features implementation. Then we had the fund allocation for private sale, token generation event, community building, public sale, and Tier 2 central exchange listings, partnerships, YOLO Chain mainnet release. Now, this token that's being listed on Mexc is on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's not on their own blockchain as of yet. Then they're going to have the swap come out, so they said that's coming soon on their webpage. Then a Tier 1 central exchange listing, roadmap update, staking rewards, so you'll be able to stake this token. Web3 wallet integration and Android app release. If you do come out with your own blockchain, you're going to need a wallet to store your blockchain coin in, so they're going to need their own Web3 wallet. iOS app beta release. Then the YOLO Chain testnet will come out. Then token burn and NFT marketplace. So that's the order that all of their utilities come out in. Now, if you want to learn more in depth about each one of their utilities, you can read it on their white paper. You'll find all the links if you just go to yolomeme.io. And like I said, you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global starting tomorrow, December 29th. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.